Hey guys, I'm here with Israel Leota, current Brisbane Broncos player and under-19 Maroons player. Israel, thanks for having a chat with me.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Couple of questions, Israel. How did it first feel when you were able to train at Red Hill and with the current Brisbane Broncos team?
It was a pretty surreal feeling, you know. It's every boy's dream in Brisbane that plays footy to play for the Brisbane Broncos. So when I got into that environment, into the top grade environment, I just couldn't wrap my head around it. You know, training with all these idols and being around all these people I watch on TV and now rubbing shoulders with them. It was, I couldn't really explain the feeling at the moment, at the time.
Yeah. You're living a lot of youth's dream, you know, by being able to play with some of the idols that you grew up watching. What's a core memory that you can take away from your What's a core memory that you can take away from your current career at the moment?
Core memory, representing the state. That was in under-19s.
Mm-hmm.
I played under-19s Queensland twice, so representing the Queensland.
Yeah.
Then like my family and
Yeah.
it's also a pretty big moment for me. Haven't played Queensland, so
Yeah. Obviously, a lot of current football stars have donned those jerseys as well. So just knowing that you're following the pathways of some certain greats as well, hey, that'd be a pretty cool feeling.
yeah, it is, and especially when there are coaches like Darius Boyd and a few greats of the game that come in and help us through our development, and they were like, I was idolising them when I was growing up.
Yeah.
And now I get to learn off them. It's an even better feeling.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. For youth coming up, that age 14, 15, 16, that are trying to make it to that next level or who dream to play NRL, what were you doing at those ages to make the difference to bring you to where you are right now?
Just training hard. You know, hard work always beats talent. It's always what you do when people aren't around.
Yeah.
So always put in those extras. That'll get you further.
Yeah. Israel, how important is mindset, recovery, physio? I know you're really big on all of those three things. How big is that for you and how do you manage that?
It's very important to me because, like you said, mindset, recovery, not only are they like a feel good, like they help me on the field too.
Yeah.
They help me perform better. They help my body recover and like feel better to go again, because you have to keep your body in shape and in nick.
Yeah.
To make sure you can perform at your best.
Yeah.
And they all help me perform at my best. So I really try to prioritize that.
What's your recovery routine?
My recovery routine. I like to come here and get treatment from Hassan.
Yeah.
Emotion Health.
Yeah, there you go. Good plug.
I also like to do hot cold therapy, especially ice bath. That helps my muscles recover, and a lot of rolling, stretching, to keep the muscles loose, so I'm not tight, not feeling lethargic, and just make sure that my body's at peak performance.
Yeah, perfect.